What is up, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to install Minecraft for free. First thing, you need winrar. So here I did winrar. Choose your any language. I will pick Arabic because I am Arabic. You just have to wait. You wait. Then you go. You will put yes. Yeah, I know you don't understand, but because I understand this language, you put English if you're English, any language. Then you have your own window. Okay, we have to close. Then you go to Minecraft zip to share. Put download. Start the download. It downloads. Then what do you want to do? Let's go to your winrar. Yeah, my winrar is pretty much here. Look, Minecraft. Okay, go to one of them. Yeah, because I can put Windows. Then take this one and put it. This will be Minecraft. Okay, because I already installed Minecraft. So, till the next episode, and please put a comment, and please subscribe and like. Goodbye.